Onpassive has just released their first product, and I've had a lot of people that have been anxious to see the products of Onpassive. Whether it's the founding members or educators, they've been anxious to see the products of Onpassive. And the first product of Onpassive is O-Cademy. So it's here. Ash has actually started to release the products of Onpassive. And this is just the start. This is going to continue in the preceding days, weeks, and months. Ash will continue to roll out new portfolios of products for us to look at, to explore, to use. Very, very exciting time. Those individuals that have been waiting to see the product, your wait's over, guys. You don't have to wait for anything anymore. As Ash Mufareh came out last Friday and talked about O-Cademy, it really was seismic. When he started to describe O-Cademy, what's in O-Cademy, the technology behind O-Cademy, it was just amazing to listen to Ash talk about this particular portfolio of products. It is going to change the whole e-learning ecosystem online. If you are an educator, okay, if you're an educator and you have courses online, whether it's K through 12, whether it's college, whether it's corporate America, whether it's government, whether it's personal use, I don't care what it is, your world is about to change. It's going to get easier for you to develop content, put it online for your students. It's going to be a better experience for your students because of the technology of Onpassive, not only for you, but for them. And it's going to become extremely lucrative for you, those educators online that have e-courses online. And again, it doesn't matter what area they're in, whether you're a cook, whether you're a mechanic, whether you're a K through 12 teacher, it does not matter what area you're teaching. And a good example would be a chef. Let's say they come online and they have a series. Maybe it's 4 recipes that they're going to teach over the course of a month. And they charge $10 per student coming in and watching that teaching lesson. He might have 10, he might have 100, he might have 1,000, he might have 10,000. There are no caps with O-Cademy. And when you look at it in those terms, the really good teachers will be able to come online, attract students to their educational content as a chef could do, and over time make really, really significant income, more money than you've ever seen teaching in K through 12 or college, or the e-courses you give to governments or corporate America. This is an extremely exciting thing for you educators online. Everything is going to change. It's going to become so easy for you to develop your content, put it online, and then put it in front of students. Really, really cool stuff. It gets better than that. Onpassive, they're even going to help you do that. If you have a superior course that you have online and you're just having problem getting eyes in front of what you're doing, Onpassive will also do that for you, i.e. your bottom line will increase as Onpassive works for you. So educators, this is just going to be absolutely awesome for you. The founding members of Onpassive, get ready, because as this rollout proceeds, it is just going to blow your mind. And I'll talk about O-Cademy and the e-learning platforms online today. This year, 2021, there will probably be $250 billion in revenue produced through the e-learning platforms online, courses that are online. It is a massive, massive niche. And as we look at the last 20 years, this particular niche, e-learning, has grown over 900%. And I think because of last year, with all that was going on in the world, I think it's even bigger than that. Could be 1,000, could be 1,100% over the last 2 decades. This is a massive market. And because of O-Cademy, what Ash and his team in Bangalore have done, I believe we're going to be able to capture a tremendous amount of this particular niche online. If you are a founding member in Onpassive, if you have been waiting for the products to come out so you can see the products of Onpassive and just see how good they are, man, it's over. You look at this O-Cademy and the quality of O-Cademy, and then you think about the other products that are going to be coming out day after day, week after week for the next couple of months. It's not only powerful, the times are not only very, very interesting, but it's going to put all of us in a position to just win, flat out win. If we look at the market projected in 2026, it's going to be $336 billion. Corporate America will be doing about $50 billion of that. You know, when I talk about all these numbers, they're not in hundreds of thousands or millions. They're in the billions. And as Onpassive comes in and shows O-Cademy to the world, I can tell you that they're going to beat a path to Onpassive because it makes their job easier. It makes the student experience so much better. And because it's lucrative for them, it makes it very, very lucrative for us. You know, when we look at O-Cademy and we look at the platforms that are out there today, there are always limitations. With Onpassive, there are no limitations. Whether it's 25 or 10,000, it doesn't matter. They will fit in O-Cademy. They always use AI for everything in Onpassive, and AI with O-Cademy, it is just outstanding. I'm not going to talk about the technology today because that would take another hour and a half. But when you have a chance, run over and review O-Cademy. It really is extraordinary what Ash and his team have done. As we look at O-Cademy, as we look at the amount of volume, the amount of people that are going to be coming into O-Cademy, and then we start to add the other products that are going to be coming behind them. And yes, the rollout has started. Not only the rollout of the products, but the rollout to the soft launch and hard launch. It's started, guys. That's what the products are all about. But when we look at what's going to be happening at hard launch, some of the experts have told Ash that they believe that the first year we will have 100 million customers. If that happens, it's going to be extraordinary for the founding members in Onpassive. And you're going to be in the top tier of earners. You know, you're not going to be in the top 50% or 75%. You're going to be in the top 90% because of what's going to be happening with all the products of Onpassive, O-Cademy being the first, and the type of revenue that's going to be coming into Onpassive. Now, if that doesn't happen and they don't get 100 million the first year, it really doesn't matter. If they just get 1 million or 5 million or 10 million, we are set for life. Just this one product of O-Cademy, we could work with this for the next 10, 15, 20 years. Onpassive would be a unicorn company, no doubt about it, because of the size of the niche. In fact, they would be a multiple unicorn company. And each one of us as founding members in Onpassive would do absolutely awesome. That's why we're here, to do absolutely awesome. So this is a really, really exciting time. O-Cademy, first product out, and it is a behemoth. It is a monster, and it's only the first one. If you can't get excited today, not only because of the structure of Onpassive, what they're doing for the individuals that are participating with Onpassive, but the product of Onpassive, you can't get excited about anything. And honestly, you're either financially sound or you're never going to get there, because Onpassive is the only place to be today for those individuals that are looking for a way forward to build financial security and just take care of that bottom line. So, Onpassive, O-Cademy, come on in and explore O-Cademy. The more you learn about it, the more you're just gonna be blown away. It is that good. And as educators come on and look at O-Cademy, and we have quite a few that will come on board and look at O-Cademy. They're very, very excited about what O-Cademy is going to do for them, their educational program, and their students. Really, really exciting things. But as they come in and explore, it's just going to be, it's the place to be at this moment in time. Onpassive. And this is only, again, the first product. Next week, we'll have 1 or 2 or 3. Ash is just going to continue to roll these out right into the soft launch. This is not going to prevent us from going into the soft launch. We don't have to wait for all the products to be unrolled. It's going to be something that happens in tandem. And then as we use the products, we test the products, we try and break the products, which will not happen. We go from the soft launch into the hard launch. Really, really exciting times right now to be on Onpassive. I recommend, I'll try and leave a link down below where you can go over and review O-Cademy and go over some of the technical things in O-Cademy. Very, very cool stuff. It's almost like SpaceX and what Elon Musk is doing with rocket ships. Ash is doing this with the online ecosystem. Really, really some cool technology. So I recommend you go over there and kind of review O-Cademy. If you are a founding member, or if you are thinking about becoming a founding member, you're in a great position. If you're a founder, I think it's a done deal. Absolutely done deal. In the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, you're going to be amazed at what's going to happen in your life, your financial bottom line. If you are not a founder right now, come on in, explore it. Explore everything Onpassive. Believe me, you are in the right place at the right time. I would come in and pay the founding fee, become a founding member, lock yourself into Onpassive, and in the next 3, 6 months, 2, 3, 4 months, in the next 3 to 6 weeks, 3 to 6 months, right in there, that time frame. It's going to be awesome, and it literally is going to change the world, because Onpassive is going to explode online. And this is what Ash is doing right now. He's building excitement with the product rollout. That's why he's not doing it all at once. And believe me, there are people today, I know who they are, that are excited about O-Cademy, not because they're participating with Onpassive, but because they're educators and they need a better way to educate online. So that's where we're at. Come on in, pay the fee, become a founding member, start participating with Onpassive. You're in a great position to really take care of yourself, your family, and those financial needs moving forward. I always recommend that if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, go on down and subscribe. Click the bell on the right and you'll get notifications as I do more videos. Again, Ash is going to be coming out with products every single week. And in weeks, there could be 2 or 3 or 4 different products in that week. A very, very exciting time. Onpassive, yeah, the webinar Ash did last Friday talking about O-Cademy, it just blew people away. It absolutely was seismic. If you've been looking, if you've been waiting to see the Onpassive, the products of Onpassive, and you wanted to take a look at them, they're here. Your wait's over. Get busy, because we're not waiting for anything. And Onpassive is on a fast track to hard launch, and once that happens, it's going to explode and go viral. If you're here, you're going to benefit from all that in major ways. If you're not, eventually you're going to be a customer anyway, because there will be tools in Onpassive that everybody wants, needs, and will use because they're that good. So that's it for today, guys. This was a great webinar Ash did. It's a short interview. It's a short preview of what's coming, what Ash talked about. Continue to explore, become a founding member, and then get ready, because we're going to see all of you at the top. Take care and have a great week. Bye.
Hi, my dear friends, check out our amazing features of our O-Cademy. This is just the beginning of something extraordinary. Thanks to all our tech team in India who are constantly improving for great success. Our CEO Ash Mufareh is pleased to present this to you.